गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Hello dear kids, welcome back to your social science video classes. I hope you all are fine and I am fine too. And you all must be doing your revision sheets. Revision कर रहे हो आप घर पे, right? And you must be enjoying doing your revision sheets because उसमें सिर्फ question answers नहीं है. There are so many things to do, right? So we have finished our lesson 1 का revision. That is textbook also and your revision sheet also. Now today we are going to do lesson number 2. Now lesson number 2 mein first we will go do the textbook part and then we will go to the revision sheet. Now in textbook part, what do we have in lesson number 2? We have houses around us, right? Now do you remember what you mean by house? Why do we need a house? Do you remember? We need a house to protect us from heat, cold, rain, stray animals and bad people, right? Okay. Now what is a house? A house is a shelter where we live. It is a place where we relax, have fun. And every house is special in itself because every house is having family. Family that share our love and shows care, and they share our sorrows also. Whenever we are in problem, whenever we feel bad, they make us feel good, right? Okay. Now, a house is having different parts like living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining hall, study room, isn't it? So different parts of houses are there. Similarly, different types of houses are there. Basically, houses are categorized into you remember? Houses are categorized into kacha house, pakka house, temporary house and permanent house. Yaad aa gaya? Now what is kacha house? Kacha houses are the houses which are made of mud, straw, wood, stones and bamboo. A hut is an example of kacha house. Now what is pakka house? A pakka house is made with bricks, cement, iron and steel. Apartment and bungalows are example of pakka house. Now kacha house and pakka house so ho gaya. Now what do you mean by temporary house and permanent house then? Permanent houses are fixed to the ground and they cannot be moved from one place to another. Huts, bungalows and apartments are example of permanent house. But temporary houses, they are not fixed to the ground. They can be moved from one place to another. Like tents, caravans and houseboats. We can take them with us wherever we want. Right? Okay. Now there are some special kind of houses which are built in special areas like in cold region जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा snowfall होता है, there we have igloo. An igloo is made with snow blocks and it has arched shape roof or a dome shaped roof. ठीक है? And how does the igloo keep you warm? Do you remember? An igloo keep us warm by trapping the heat inside the igloo. बॉडी हीट जो है वो इग्लू के अंदर ट्रैप करके उसको रख लेता है एंड उसको बाहर, बिकॉज इग्लू का जो डोर होता है दैट इज़ वेरी नैरो, पतला होता है, राइट? एंड इग्लू के अंदर जितने ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं गर्मी उतनी ज़्यादा रहती है, बिकॉज बॉडी हीट जो है वो इग्लू के अंदर ही ट्रैप होकर रह जाता है, बाहर नहीं निकल पाता है. सो पीपल फील हॉट इनसाइड इग्लू, वार्म इनसाइड इग्लू. Fine? Okay. Now, second type of special house is stilt house, which are found in rainy areas. जहाँ पे रेन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पर मिलेंगे इस टाइप के हाउसेस, और ये बैम्बू पोल्स के ऊपर बने होते हैं, बैम्बू पोल्स से नहीं बनते. राइट? ये बैम्बू पोल्स के ऊपर बने होते हैं. नाउ PA2 के लेसन में जिन लोगों ने भी लिखा है हाउसेस मेड फ्रॉम बैम्बू पोल्स, स्टिल्ट हाउसेस, मैंने उनको रॉन्ग किया है, बिकॉज बैम्बू पोल्स के ऊपर बने होते हैं. स्टिल्ट हाउसेस आर मेड ऑन बैम्बू पोल्स. बैम्बू पोल्स ग्राउंड पे अटैच होते हैं एंड उसके ऊपर हाउस बना होता है, दैट इज नोन एज स्टिल्ट हाउस. बट बैम्बू पोल्स से जो हाउस बनता है दैट इज कच्चा हाउस. फाइन? ओके. नाउ see, there's again a beautiful riddle. Above your house I'll always stand, like a crown, proud and grand. On you sunlight, rain and storm cannot fall. I'm there for one and all. People make me in different shapes. Sloping, flat and dome are some of my names. Which is roof. हर हाउस के ऊपर रूफ होता है proudly, and रूफ के बिना house is incomplete. And people make in different shapes like sloping, flat, dome, right? So it is a roof, and roof is most important part of the house. अगर roof नहीं है so house is incomplete. Now let's see different types of roofs. What have we studied in different types of roof? We have flat roofs, which is found in plains. Second is slanting roof, which is found in rainy areas or snowy areas, right? Third is arched roof or dome shaped roof, which is found generally in igloo, right? Now next we should keep our house clean. We should throw the garbage in dustbin. वॉश यूटेंसिल्स, बिकॉज अगर हम बर्तन धोकर नहीं रखेंगे तो उसके ऊपर फ्लाइज एंड कॉकरोचेज आएंगे जो हमें बीमार कर देंगे, राइट? वी शुड ग्रो प्लांट्स नियर आवर हाउस टू कीप द एरिया ग्रीन एंड लुक ब्यूटिफुल. Now, to keep our house clean, we should take care of belongings. See, this is written here, taking care of belongings. To keep our house clean, we should take care of belongings. अगर हम अपनी चीज़ों का ध्यान खुद रखेंगे तो हाउस ऑटोमेटिकली क्लीन लगेगा. सपोज जूते का जो रैक है, आप जूते उसकी जगह पे खोलो तो जूते फैलेंगे नहीं एंड घर साफ लगेगा. सेकेंडली, कपड़े अपनी जगह पे रखो, कपड़े फैले हुए नहीं रहेंगे तो घर साफ लगेगा. थर्डली, आपके जो टॉयज़ हैं वो आप अपनी जगह पे रखो तो भी घर साफ दिखेगा. नाउ अगेन, आपकी बुक्स, आपके क्लोथ्स, आपके टॉयज़, हर चीज़ की अपनी जगह होती है, राइट? सो हर चीज़ को आप उसकी जगह पे रखो तो घर ऑटोमेटिकली साफ एंड क्लीन दिखाई देता है. तो आपको स्पेशली घर को क्लीन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इट बिकम्स क्लीन ऑटोमेटिकली. राइट? See, stack your clothes, hang clean clothes in cupboard and जो dirty clothes होते हैं उनको laundry bag में डाल दो to clean it up. साफ करने के लिए. तो मम्मा को पता होगा कि कौन से कपड़े साफ करने हैं अगर वो laundry bag में रहेंगे तो. Always keep your study table clean, study room clean. Pencils को जब आप sharpen करते हो तो you should throw it in the dustbin. टेबल को कभी भी स्क्रिबल नहीं करना चाहिए. व्हाट इज स्क्रिबल? अब ये टेबल है, इसको मैं ऐसे ऐसे पेंसिल से करूँगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्रिबलिंग. सो इट बिकम्स अनक्लीन्ड, इट बिकम्स डर्टी. Keep your water bottles at your place, tiffin box in the kitchen, school bag at the place, right? Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the room. So all these things can be done to keep our house clean. Now we had also studied about early human beings, right? So how was the early human being? The early human beings' life was very hard. They used to live in caves and forests. They used to hunt animals and ate fruits. And they wore animal skins as clothes and also leaves as clothes. They made weapons with stone and wood. They gathered fruits, seeds and different roots to eat. They were scared of fires, but still they learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together and they created fire. And what did they used to do with the fire? They kept wild animals away from them. Right? So this is all we had read in the lesson of houses around us. Now your homework is what can be your homework? Your homework is write the different ways how you keep your house clean. You have to write 3 different ways in which you keep your house clean. कैसे रख सकते हो नहीं, कैसे रखते हो आप. रख सकते हो मतलब किस तरीके से आपको रहना चाहिए. एंड रखते हो का मतलब आप रोज़ क्या करते हो अपने हाउस को क्लीन रखने के लिए. राइट? सो यू हैव टू राइट 3 ways in which you keep your house clean. Fine? This is your homework for today. And you have to write it in your revision notebook. So that is all for today. Let's meet up in the next class with your revision sheet. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.